You know this guy by now. He's the state's top doctor. He's been an integral part in leading California's coronavirus strategy. You've seen him on TV a lot. Dr. Ghaly, it's been a long 15 months for him, and California step up through this pandemic. He's the one that guided us. I talked to Dr. Ghaly this afternoon and started asking him about how he felt personally about today's big reopening.
I feel great. I feel really thankful to all of Californians who brought their best together over the last year and helped us get to this day, but it feels terrific.
Now that we're here, are you confident that California is ready to take this next step?
Yeah, I think we've done all that we can. We've gotten vaccines out in a way that very few other states have done. We protected many Californians. I think we've learned a lot about the virus and how it spreads and moves, and we are ready to take this next step.
During these last 15 months, what was the lowest point for you? You were in a position where you had to, tell all of Californians what needed to be done, make tough decisions, and get a lot of blowback from them. What was the lowest point for you?
I'll be honest. I feel that throughout the pandemic, the hardest parts when we saw so many people get sick and so many deaths in California. So many Californians came together to do what we hoped were going to be strategies to avoid some of those large numbers of infections and deaths, and yet we did see some of that here in California. So my heart was always with those families and those communities that lost many. And then secondly, I would say that the challenge in politicizing health and public health, that certainly is going to be something that we in public health are going to consider for a long time. How do we make sure we communicate and convey the issues of harm reduction and protection in a way that doesn't get caught up in some of the politicization that we saw over the last year and a half?
Okay, finally, now that you can go maskless, what's the one thing you really want to go out and do without your mask?
For me, it's actually going to be outdoors. It's going to be watching my daughter run and play tennis, and my son pitch and play baseball. My other kids have fun at the park, and be able to be with them outdoors without my mask. I'm really looking forward to that. And I will, with caution and respect to so many of the workers indoors, probably wear my mask on occasion inside. But really looking forward to that outdoor opportunity to get fresh air with my kids. That's going to be a lot of fun this summer.
Yeah, I think that's going to be the same thing for a lot of people. Thank you very much for your service and your commitment and for doing this interview with me.
Yeah, thank you.